Dr. Marina Rodriguez. Dr. Woohoo! Start hollering!
I had a knee replacement in October of 2015, 2.5 years ago. And I had had sports injuries as a younger person, and over the years I had a lot of arthritis, and my knee was just painful and deformed and terrible, so I went ahead and had a knee replacement.
Dr. Rodriguez is a great example of the kind of patient that I cater to in my practice, really. Somebody who, is a younger athlete who has bad arthritis, that's the kind of patient that my practice is geared towards, because she's not 90, she has a lot more life to live.
What you want is someone that has the experience doing what you need. And I felt that he had it. So I didn't feel the need to, run to Boston or anything like that. I always tell patients, you need to be comfortable with who you go to. You need to feel that you can trust them and that they're doing their best for you, whatever that takes. If it takes consulting 5 other surgeons that are going to say, yeah, you need a knee replacement, go for it. I didn't need to be convinced.
If there is a surgeon, that could do a surgery and maybe take a little bit more time and maybe put a little more thought, into the implant choice and surgical planning, that's a person that can get back to that high level of function.
I was familiar with it, and I actually went to see the show a couple of years ago. And so when this email came and I found out that the proceeds go to the Rhode Island Free Clinic, I thought, this is my time, because I've volunteered there for years. And I think it's a great organization, so they certainly need the funds.
My wife and I went, and to sit in the crowd and then watch her win, that was like the biggest compliment that a surgeon can have, to see your work perform like that. And she had also said too that surgery only goes so far. The other part of it is a patient, and definitely is a partnership. And so, she was the right patient, and I was the right surgeon. And then together, it was just successful.
I can play tennis, I can bike, I can walk. I can do anything I want. I don't even think about it anymore. It's been 2 years, and it's like part of me. It's perfect.
You don't want to see me out on the dance floor, but it's nice to see my work out on the dance floor.